Hi, in this video, we're going to be going over how to become a remote online notary in the state of Louisiana. So at BlueNotary, we've got a simple step-by-step guide that's going to walk you through this process. It's available as a link in the description of this video below. So once you click that link, you're going to be brought to this page, and you can just scroll down and see the quick step-by-step guide right here. So let's go through this together just to make sure there's no confusion. Step number one is you're going to need to have an existing commission as a traditional notary public. In other words, you just already need to be a notary public in the state of Louisiana. Step number two is you're going to need to complete the online training course as well as pass the quiz. So if you click this link here, it's going to bring you over to this course right here that's provided by the Louisiana Secretary of State. So you just need to go through this and make sure you pass. You also are going to need to download this certificate upon completion. Step number three is you're going to need to contract or sign up with a RON technology provider. Our best recommendation for this is to sign up for BlueNotary, the best online notarization platform for notaries and businesses. Step number four is you're going to need to complete the RON registration through your Louisiana online notary account and upload that certificate that you just downloaded. Step number five is you're going to need to pay the $100 online filing fee. And step number six is once the RON registration has been approved, your notary record is going to be updated and show that you're authorized to perform remote online notarizations. As soon as that is updated, you are good to go and start performing remote online notarizations for your clients and making it easier for you to perform notarizations wherever your clients may be. You can also submit this approval as your RON approval document on BlueNotary so that you're going to be approved with the platform. And if you need any more information, you can check this out with the official remote online notary resources of Louisiana right here. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, we ask that you please follow.
Are you interested in getting a feel for what an online notarization session would feel like before going through the approval process? You can open up a free account at app.bluenotary.us/business/register. We've left a link in the description on how you can make a free account and left you with a video tutorial of every feature on the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through the customer support chat in the bottom right-hand corner, and we'll do our best to get you pointed in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your notary journey.